Guys, toss. We want to toss the pasta, baby. Let's go. Bam, bam. Toss it.
Bam.
Toss it.
Bam.
So look, I have my pan right here. I'm gonna throw the pasta right in there.
Wait, how many ladles of water into the pan with black pepper?
So your pasta is to be cooking in the water. So if you need to put 1 ladle, 2 ladle, just go for it. Capiche? And see, it's nice and creamy.
Mine has so much sauce.
There is nothing more sexy than this dish, guys, by the way.
Look at this. I'm a Nona.
Nona.
My grandmother doesn't do this.
That's right.
Mine's amazing. I just tasted it.
So,
Beth, this is my formal resignation from WeWork. I'm opening a restaurant. It's going to be called Cacio with Pepe.
the most important thing is that you have that saucy.
Oh,
Sauce right on top.
That was awesome.
I think this is a regular thing for me now.
Martino, you're going to make this every day. You're going to think about me.
Just your abs.
3, 2, 1. Let me see your plates. Let's go. Oh my God. Oh, that looks good. Let me see it.
Done.
Amazing.
Good job.
Let me
The
see your
kids
plates.
are all eating the pasta. They love it.
You can use bucatini. You can use spaghetti.
Oh, this is fabulous.
Yeah,
Andrea,
great
thank you
job.
so
It's
much.
delicious.
Thank you, Andrea.
Give me an email. Oh,
Thanks so much.
Yeah, that was great. Thank you.
That was awesome.